Hi, thank you, Josiah. I am Kim Bachman, and I also work in the admissions office. So I'm going to elaborate a little bit more on some of the things that Josiah touched upon and show you exactly where you can find these on the website. So on the previous slide, it listed the programs and courses. So if you went to the carrollcc.edu and clicked on programs and courses, it would take you to the next page, which highlights all of our different degree programs. In the middle, you can see some of the non-credit career options, and then on the right, the personal enrichment options. So we're going to focus on the left-hand side with the degree options, and you can see that there's a list of different areas of study. So you can kind of pick one of these areas of study if you're not exactly sure what you want to do, but you have kind of a broader sense of maybe something that you're interested in. But we have lots of information available to you on our website, so you can look and explore different degree programs as well as courses. So we're going to go ahead and click on the STEM and health sciences, and you can see that there are lots of different degree options that fall under this category. And again, if you don't see something that fits exactly what you're looking for as far as a degree, then you would work with an academic advisor in our customized degree program and select courses based on transfer and your major. So you can see this list of degree programs. We're going to go ahead and select the Digital Fabrication AAS degree, and it takes you to the program and courses page where you can see information about the program. There's faculty information, so lots of highlights to explain kind of what this program would entail. But it also lists all of the degree requirements, so program-specific requirements as well as general education requirements. So if you have some time later on today, I encourage you to go on the programs and courses page just to check out what options there are for you at Carroll Community College.